11 healthy superfoods to eat health after 40 plus. Are you over 40 and looking to prioritize your health? Incorporating nutrient-dense superfoods into your diet can be a game changer. In this video, we're sharing 11 superfoods packed with essential nutrients to support your well-being after 40. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health and enhancing cognitive function, these foods are sure to nourish your body and keep you feeling your best. Watch now to discover which superfoods you should be adding to your plate for optimal health and vitality. 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, helping to fight inflammation and support brain health. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, vital for bone health and overall well-being. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function. For nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, providing sustained energy and supporting heart health. 5. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt helps maintain gut health, supports immune function, and promotes muscle repair and growth. 6. Avocado. Loaded with monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium, avocados support heart health, aid in digestion, and help regulate blood pressure. 7. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and alleviate joint pain. 8. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting digestive health, blood sugar control, and weight management. 9. Quinoa. A complete protein, quinoa is packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, providing sustained energy and supporting bone health. 10. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants like catechins,